In 2022, I was a resident of a small community in Oba Ebima Ondoni local government of Rivers State. We heard about flooding in so many areas in Nigeria, but it was not a problem to us because then we didn't see any traces of flooding. Days later, we started seeing water coming out from the ground, and few days later, the water rose up and started entering our houses. We were forced to neglect our properties and our businesses. This is my story. My name is Prosper Atu, and I'm representing the Pathfinders team. I want to tell you about the problem of climate change induced flooding, which is a global problem. I want to tell you about the solution that I and my team found, and then I want to tell you about the effectiveness of this solution. Climate change induced flooding is a global problem that leads to destruction of lives and properties. Addressing this problem is crucial to protect vulnerable communities and to preserve livelihoods. A victim of climate change is Ada Okonkwo, who is a farmer residing in agricultural local government of Rivers State. Climate change has destroyed Ada's property and forced her to leave her community and environment. Ada is not alone. According to reports, there have been over 134 flooding events recorded in Nigeria from 2011 to 2022. And according to NEMA, it says that over 1.4 million Nigerians have been affected by flooding in just 2022, which I was one of them. Also, another report said that 2,090 fatalities has arisen from climate change, and that's why we gave our solution, which is the flow system. Our solution is a warning system that leverages on machine learning to detect and predict flood events. This solution is effective because it is data driven and it leverages on machine learning. And here is our prototype, a very simple prototype. A user logs in or receives an SMS or any alert from our system and then goes to the flood alert screen, see the flooding, then the user goes to the weather forecast screen, and then the user check the period where the flood might likely occur, and then seek for flood preparedness plan from the lifeguard chatbot. We got the pain points of our users, and then we have implemented all feedbacks and recommendations from our users. If you support my team and I in this project, we are going to implement this project. We are going to collaborate with field experts. We are going to conduct extensive user testing and to make sure that we increase the predictability of this warning system, I and my team. Again, in this short video, I told you about the problem of climate-induced flooding. I told you about our solution and the reason why we chose it. I hope that you can support I and my team implementing this solution. Thank you.